Hey friend, it's Simply T again. Summer is here. I don't know where you stay or where you from, but it is hot and humid around these parts. Major shout out to BeautyExchange for sending me over this unit because it is right up my alley. If you are a beginner or somebody that likes the customized look without doing the extra work, the perfect hairline is probably one of the best that you're going to get to achieve that kind of look. I'm testing out Miss Lissie with you guys. I love how cute and curly she is. Straight off of the packaging, we're going to get some versatility with this wig. It is 12 inches long, so it's kind of like a curly bob, that kind of length. Let's just open it up. Miss Lissie is from the Outre Perfect Hairline. It comes with a fully hand-tied 13x4 lace frontal. It gives you a lot of kind of deep parting space. We can give ourselves a middle part, side part, and I love that they added the option of braiding it straight down the middle just to kind of demonstrate how large that lace space is for a very natural scalp-like finish. It is a heat-resistant fiber wig and it's heat safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This wig is in 12 inches, so if you're wondering how it's going to look on you, it is curly, so you know, with curly hair you can pull it down and it might stretch just a little bit, but so far so good. It feels pretty breezy and light to me, and it says no plucking required on the packaging, but you know, we're going to check that out in a minute and just see how accurate that is. Now that I've tried this on for a fit, I'm just going to add some tint to my lace just to make sure that I get it as close as possible to my complexion. I'm going to style it and show you how it turns out. Okay, so I cut my lace. I'm going to finish my makeup and finish getting ready off camera. Then I will meet you guys on the other side with my final thoughts, pros, cons, and all that good stuff. Okay, and now I'm back. First impression, because I just took everything off. Not only do I think we just found the perfect summer ready wig, but I think we actually stumbled upon the perfect everyday wear wig as well. This is amazing. I'm not sure if my camera or my lighting is picking up all of the little highlights and dimensions in the coloring, but y'all, like, tell me what you think in the comments. For me, I didn't even put any foundation or anything in the middle, and it's already kind of blending in. The length worked out just fine. I was originally planning to kind of like really set it in the middle, but I love the way it looks pulled back like this. I really do. It's given like wash and go, twist out vibes, and I love how natural it is. Speaking of what I love about this wig, let's go ahead and get into the pros of Miss Lissie, okay? I love the coloring of this wig. I love how subtle it is without seeming like too dull. If you're more of like a low light type of person, or you haven't really deviated from jet black solid color wigs before, this is a great starting point for you, just to get your toes wet and just kind of dip it in the pool a little bit without going too crazy with the color. I love that it is a frontal because it really kind of helps to create that perfect hairline. Duh. It is actually really layered well. It looks kind of like one length on the stock card on the packaging, but the more I kind of comb it out with my fingers, you can start to see that it is kind of pre-layered in the front. This looks like somebody's braid out. This looks like a twist out, like you braided your hair overnight, or you put your hair in twists and kind of let it set and took it out in the morning. This is giving me like fresh, simple, yet cute. This is definitely going on my love it list. Another thing I love about this wig is how full it is without being too heavy. If you've tried on a curlier textured wig or wavy textured wig, sometimes you see that a lot of tracks will be added to the back to add to the look of having a lot of volume. But thankfully, because the cap is ventilated in the back, you don't have to worry about that because it's nice and breathable. The elastic band is most definitely holding it down in the back without feeling too tight or feeling too tense on the hairline. All in all, I love the blended highlight colors in this wig. I'm definitely feeling the length a lot more than I expected to, because I am used to just being like long and everywhere and having big hair. But the texture as well with the length helps to create a very natural, everyday, simple yet glamorous look. Not only is it pre-plucked in the front, but it looks like a gradual hairline where it kind of doesn't just go from being super thin in the front to being super thick in the back. It really does have a natural hairline effect. This wig kind of proves why the Perfect Hairline series from Outre is by far one of my favorite, and why I think it's so beginner and summer friendly. Let's go ahead and get into the cons of this wig. As far as the cons, I don't really have any, but as for right now, the only thing that I'm not too sure about is how long the texture is going to hold up. Generally speaking, curlier textured wigs do hold up a whole lot better than straight ones, especially when it comes to synthetic wigs. But you might want to grab a bottle of synthetic spray or some type of gloss or shine bottle to help keep up the shine and perkiness of the texture in this wig. And I mean, besides that, that's pretty much it. I can't stop running my hands through this wig and being amazed at how natural it looks. I'm telling you, everyday wear, summer wear, this is definitely right up that alley. Would I suggest giving this wig a try? This is definitely worth a try this summer. I mean, look at it. I am so in love with this look. I generally don't go this short, but This wig definitely made me a believer, y'all. Would you get this wig? Let me know in my comments below. And if you want to see more wigs like this and more beginner-friendly wig tips and how to summerify your wig and keep it from sliding off and embarrassing you on your first date with somebody. Wait, that sounds personal. Go ahead and make sure you keep watching and subscribing and commenting, sharing, and all of that good stuff right here on Simply Tea TV. Major shout out and thank you once again to BeautyExchange for sending me this wig. Y'all have made me a believer in short wigs again. Okay, and I'm not just talking the occasional blunt bob, but like natural textured, curly, short wigs. This is everything. Thank you so much for clicking play. I will catch you same place next time. Peace out, y'all.